Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm reviewing Marine Collagen Cream. I bought it because it's the only moisturizer that has ever worked for me. I worked as an esthetician for 15 years, and now that I'm retired, I've had an opportunity to try a lot of other skincare products, and truly nothing works as well as the collagen cream for me. When using the Marine Collagen Cream, my skin feels super moisturized and hydrated, and I just absolutely love it. I would recommend the Marine Collagen Cream because, well, I did recommend it to my clients for 15 years, and they just kept coming back for more. So I'm recommending it to you.